Patrick?
Phonemic awareness is the ability to perceive and manipulate individual sounds. It is essential for successful phonics instruction and for learners to be able to use phonics to identify words as they read and to spell words as they write. Phonemic awareness must be learned through reading and writing. It's not just acquired naturally. The National Reading Panel has identified 6 tasks for phonemic awareness assessment and instruction: phoneme isolation, phoneme identity, phoneme categorization, phoneme blending, phoneme segmentation, phoneme deletion. You can ask your learner to complete these tasks to see if there is a need for you to work on developing phonemic awareness. You can use these same tasks for phonemic awareness practice either with or without letter or word cards.
So Jonathan, we've been working a lot around sounds of letters. I know that you know the name of every letter, but every letter has a unique sound. We're going to do an exercise here that will help you identify and know what the sound of the letter is. Not the name, but the sound. And when you see that letter in words you've never seen before, it'll help you sound them out better and understand what that word might be. Okay? Okay. Good. Okay, so tell me the first sound that you hear in the word make. Good. Tell me the last sound in the word job.
Job.
B. Tell me the middle sound in bite.
I.
I? Good. Tell me the last sound in tip. Good. Tell me the first sound in lad.
Lad. L.
L. Good. Tell me the middle sound in pet.
Eh.
Good. Tell me the last sound in rig.
G.
Good. Tell me the middle sound in bog.
A.
Good. Tell me the middle sound in bake.
A.
Good. Tell me the first sound in food.
Oo.
The first sound. How does the first letter sound? F. Good. Tell me the last sound in man. Right. Tell me the last sound in rot. Good. How about the middle sound in pin?
In.
The middle letter. I. Good. Tell me the first sound in the word deal.
Deal. No.
Just what does the first letter sound like? Deal.
D.
Good. Tell me the first sound in black.
B.
B. Good. Tell me the first sound in fish. F. Good. Tell me the middle sound in bag.
Ag.
Just the sound of the middle letter. Bag.
A.
Good. And tell me the first sound in odd.
A.
Good. And tell me the last sound in dark. Dark. Good job. Thanks. Okay, so here's another way that we can practice and recognize sounds that different letters make. What is the first sound that you hear in the word make?
Make.
Make. Perfect. How about the last sound in the word job?
Job. B.
I'm hearing b, which is adding an extra sound to the b. The b wants to sound like b.
B.
Job.
B.
Good. Okay. And how about the middle sound in the word bite?
B. I. Bye.
So the middle sound you hear is?
I.
Perfect.
You have just seen a learner and a tutor practicing phonemic awareness tasks. This type of focused practice should take up no more than 20 minutes of any given lesson. You can ask your local literacy program or an adult literacy listserv for advice on curriculum choices that provide structured, sequential practice.